lights on a hazy street, slow beat slides beneath my feet. Bassline talking, hearts in sync. Sip of rum, I stop to think. Trumpet cries, the night's alive. Every sound helps me survive. Jazz and reggae, twist and flow. In this vibe I let it go. Rhythm and smoke, that's how my spirit spoke. Every breath, every note keeps my soul afloat. Rhythm and smoke, just let the feeling roll. Shadow dancers, eyes half closed. Every move so composed. Saxophone whispers low, telling stories I should know. No rush, no past, no fear. Only music in my ear. Life's a jam, smooth and slow. Play it soft and let it grow. There's rhythm and smoke, that's how my spirit spoke. Every breath, every note keeps my soul afloat. Rhythm and smoke, just let the feeling roll. Some find peace in prayer, I find mine in the air. Where rhythm meets the night and smoke fades into light. Clock keeps ticking, I don't mind. Lost in sound, I'm hard to find. Every groove's a sacred line. This moment feels divine. That rhythm and smoke, that's how my soul awoke. Every breath that invoke flows like fire through the choke. Rhythm and smoke, yeah, that's how freedom spoke.
My blues away. Steel drum hums a gentle tune underneath the lazy moon. tropic breeze to Bourbon Street, reggae jazz where love and rhythm meet. Caribbean cool, New Orleans soul. Feel that heat, let it roll. Rastaman and jazz parade, smoking notes the night has made. Sax and conga play and sing, rum and rhythm, let me think. Palm trees sway, the candles burn. Every sound a sweet return to the land where spirits blend. Music never finds an end. Caribbean cool, New Orleans soul. Music fire makes me whole. From the tropic breeze to Bourbon Street, reggae jazz where love and rhythm meet. Caribbean cool, New Orleans soul. Feel that heat, let it roll. Hey. Let the horns call the saints, let the waves paint the sky. Island drum, city hum, where the groove will never die. Steel strings and trumpet cry, moonlight dancing in my eye. Rhythm sweet and heart so light. Giant jazz both shine tonight. Caribbean cool, New Orleans soul. It's the beat that makes me whole. In the night where lovers stroll, every note can heal the soul. Caribbean cool, New Orleans soul. Let the world just lose control. Yeah. Caribbean cool, New Orleans soul. Two hearts, one rhythm, one flow. Under silver skies we play, at the Moonlight Reggae Cafe. Candle flickers soft and slow, gentle laughter starts to flow. Coffee steam and ocean breeze, yeah. Music drifting through the trees. The bass line hums, the saxophone sighs. Stars are dancing in your eyes. Every note feels warm true, like the night was made for you. Moonlight Reggae Cafe, where the lovers come to stay, grooving slow till the break of day. Let the rhythm wash your cares away. Moonlight Reggae Cafe, yeah, we find our hearts today. Bartender hums a Marley tune, jazz guitar beneath the moon. Trumpet whispers, drums reply. Heaven's closer when you sigh. Sugar in your glass of rum, sweet as love we've both become. Every beat a gentle kiss, every sound feels like bliss. In Moonlight Reggae Cafe, where the lovers come to stay, grooving slow till the break of day. Let the rhythm wash your cares away. Moonlight Reggae Cafe, yeah, we find our hearts today. Moonlight Reggae Cafe, yeah, we find our hearts today. Is young, the fire's low. Reggae jazz just takes control. Every soul that passes through finds a little peace and truth. Now the dawn begins to glow, no one wants to let it go. Smoky air and soft perfume, still the band keeps holding tune. Teddy Moonlight Reggae Cafe, where the music makes us sway. Through the night and into day, love keeps playing anyway. Moonlight Reggae Cafe, let the vibe forever stay. Yeah. Moonlight Reggae Cafe, just you in the sway. Soft on empty streets, footsteps fade where lovers meet. A distant horn, a lonely tune, jazz and moonlight fill the room. Your shadow moves across my mind, gentle rhythm left behind. Even pain can sound so sweet when our hearts and chords still meet. Head of one love in a minor key, still it feels like harmony. Bittersweet yet pure and free, love still lives inside of me. One love in a minor key, that's how it's meant to be.
still brings me near. To every whisper I still hear. The bass line hums our memory, a soft refrain, a melody. We were jazz and reggae blend. Our story never really ends. Hit a one love in a minor key, still it feels like harmony. Bittersweet yet pure and free, love still lives inside of me. One love in a minor key, that's how it's meant to be. Love ain't always major bright. Sometimes it hums in softer light. Even when the chords are blue, they still sing of me and you. Every heartbreak, every song teaches us where we belong. Minor notes but major soul. Love still makes the spirit whole. Enter one love in a minor key, still it plays inside of me. Through the highs and harmony, Jah still guides the melody. One love in a minor key, forever set me free. Yeah. One love in a minor key. Still the sweetest sound to me. Sky and ocean blue, everywhere's a song for you. Lazy rhythm, gentle tone, sunset makes this world our own. Coconut dreams and salty air, you and I got love to share. Jazz chords mixed with island sound, peace and freedom all around now. Grooving under the palm trees, let the rhythm set us free. Swaying slow with the ocean breeze, love feels easy as the sea. Yeah, we're grooving under the palm tree. Just a sweet refrain. Soft rain kisses window pane. Saxophone drifts through the sand like a whisper, hand in hand. Rum and lime, the night begins. Laughter flows with violins. Moonlight paints the lover's view. Every color shining true. Oh, grooving under the palm trees. Let the rhythm set us free. Swaying slow with the ocean breeze. Love feels easy as the sea. Yeah, we're grooving under the palm trees. Just your heartbeat next to me. Ooh, the stars start to play as the tide drifts away. Reggae jazz in the air, peace and love everywhere. Now the night's a sweet perfume. Fireflies around the room. Every soul begins to glow as the music's soft and low. Grooving under the palm trees, where the world feels right and free. In your arms I find my peace. Time stands still beneath the leaves. Yeah, we're grooving under the palm trees. Just the moon, the sea, and we. City lights glowing gold. Feel that soul breeze blowing cold. Coffee, steam, and taxi horns. Streetlight dreams where love is born. People rush, but I just sway. Reggae rhythm guides my way. Midnight jazz from a corner bar plays beneath the city stars. Trumpet cries, my spirit flies. Soul breeze whisper lullabies. Soul breeze on Fifth Avenue, flowing easy, me and you. Through the noise, the groove comes through. Freedom feels so brand new. Soul breeze on Fifth Avenue, let it carry me to you. Saxman smiles, his eyes have closed. Lost in notes the night composed. Every chord's a gentle flame, calling out my lover's name. Street reflection soft and wet. No regrets, no silhouette. Every light a melody. Every step you're
rhythm angels weave. Music heals, the night is kind. Peace and love in every line. Streetlight shadows fade away. Morning kissing, end of day. Still that groove is in my chest. Soul breeze put my heart to rest. The soul breeze on Fifth Avenue. Every note feels warm and true. In your arms the world feels new. Love's a song we stumble through. Soul breeze on Fifth Avenue. Forever flows with you. Yeah, soul breeze. Blowing cool through me and you. Down Fifth Avenue. Yeah. Double O's. Jazz reply. We talking rhythm under city sky. Echo rolls, I'm not alone. Trumpet hums, the lights grow low. Soulful breeze begins to flow. Snare taps soft like heartbeats blend. Notes like whispers never end. Every drop a word unspoken. Every groove a spell awoken. Jazz dub and jazz conversations. No words, just vibrations. In the smoke and meditation, we find pure creation. Yeah, dub and jazz conversations. Sweet sound, communication. Vinyl spins, the room turns gold. Stories told but never old. Electric keys and upright bass find their peace in sacred space. Echo trails through saxophone. Jar within each undertone. Every note a message clear. We speak love, Jah can hear. Side dub and jazz conversations. No words, just vibrations. In the smoke and meditation, we find pure creation. Yeah, dub and jazz conversations. Sweet sound, communication. Sounds breathe between the chords. Spirit flies without words. Reggae roots and jazz collide. Two worlds flow side by side. Trumpet sighs, guitar replies. Bassline answers with disguise. Like two lovers talk at night. Their rhythm feels so right. Jazz dub and jazz conversation. In the night's vibration. Through delay and bargization, we reach salvation. Yeah, dub and jazz conversations. Pure sound, meditation.
peaceful soul. Jah is here, I feel it all. Traffic hums a midnight tune, silver glow beneath the moon. People rush, but I move slow. In this rhythm, blessings flow. Concrete jungle, neon sky. Still I see Jah in their eyes. Every stranger, every face carries love and holy grace. Oh, Jah in the city light, shining through these sleepless nights. Reggae jazz on urban streets, where faith and rhythm meet. Yeah, Jah in the city lights, keep my heart and soul upright. Saxophone cries down the lane, echoes mix with gentle rain. Street cafe with smoke and song. Life keeps moving, we belong. From uptown dreams to downtown pain, Jah's love flows through every vein. No cathedral, no disguise, he lives beneath these city skies. Oh, Jah in the city lights, shining through these sleepless nights. Reggae jazz on urban streets, where faith and rhythm. Yeah, Jah in the city lights, keep my heart and soul upright. Hear that heartbeat in the sound, spirit rising all around. Every chord a prayer of peace, every note a soul release. Taxi horns and subway bass, still I find my holy place. Through the noise I close my eyes and feel Jah's light materialize. Born Jah in the city light, burning strong through sleepless nights. Reggae, jazz and faith unite, guiding souls to higher heights. Yeah, Jah in the city light, forever love, forever bright. Ooh, Jah in the light, city dreams and paradise. Yeah, Jah in the city light. Under the moonlight we keep it cool. Island groove with midnight blues. The ocean whispers to my soul. Gentle rhythm, let it roll. Sweet breeze dancing through the trees. Melody flowing with the sea. Your eyes shine like golden rum. Heartbeat plays the island drum. Every note a soft caress. Reggae, jazz and tenderness of island groove. jazzed out reggae groove, violent groove, and midnight blues. We move slow, no time to lose. Under stars, our hearts in tune. Saxophone sings to the moon. Island groove and midnight blues. Yeah, it's just me and you. Let the rhythm take us higher. Feel that island fire. Reggae jazz in every hue. Loves the sound I hear from you. And island groove and midnight blues. No one else but me and you. Let the waves just play our tune. Saxophone sings to the moon. Island groove, midnight blues. Forever in this groove with you. Yeah. Island groove, midnight blues. We keep it smooth, baby. Yeah. Freedom in the breeze, smooth waves rolling easy. Morning sun upon my skin. A brand new day is rolling in. Coffee, steam, and ocean sound. I feel my peace, I'm safe and found. Every color in the sky tells a story passing by. Reggae groove beneath my feet. Life's a rhythm soft and sweet. Smooth waves of freedom carry me where I belong. Through the tides of love and wisdom, I just float, I move along. In these smooth waves of freedom, my heart becomes a song. Oh, 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 oh. Saxophone whispers in the air. Cool wind runs through my hair. Jazz and reggae side by side. Two souls dancing with the tide. I'm not chasing, I'm just free. Let the music carry me. No more change, no more pain. Only a song. Oh, I know. Every note's a gentle prayer, every beat removes despair. Life's a wave, just ride it slow. Freedom's where the good vibes flow. Through the smooth waves of freedom, I'm sailing through the blue. Let the rhythm guide my spirit, and the sunshine heal me too.